güzel ama iyi geceler dileyin. Hadi.
These flowers are looking so vibrant today. Let me show you how I tend to them. Gently touching the petals encourages growth. It's so rewarding to see them thrive. I'm going to paint this concrete planter a vibrant yellow. I'm highlighting the textured bumps of the egg tray pattern. And there we go, the finished planter.
Güzel ama iyi geceler dileyin. Hadi. Güzel ama iyi geceler dileyin. Hadi.